Hey, Wayne here, and I have flat feet. Okay, so this video I wanted to go over a shoelace replacement for shoelaces that come undone all the time, but very quickly I just wanted to also mention about my flat feet that up until about 5 to 7 years ago, my feet used to hurt all the time from flat feet, and until I bought a certain shoe and some insoles. I'm going to go over that with you right now just to show you what I use. I'm no foot expert, but this is what worked for me. Okay, so I've always been told from a few foot doctors that I have the flattest feet they've ever seen. So I don't know that what I use will help you, but you never know. So I thought I'd share. Anyway, so here on the Amazon site, you can see I am using the ASICS Men's Gel Venture 6 running shoe, and I go with the 9 extra wide. So okay, you got other colors that you can pick, but I go with the black one. So this is the shoe right here. Pretty darn comfortable to me. I started wearing the version before this, which would have been 5, and went from 5 to 6 and probably wind up at 7 at some time. But what I really like about this one is that this one has 8,993 ratings, 4.5 stars. So other people like it too. Now I like it a lot. Doesn't really matter about the ratings if it doesn't work for you, but this shoe does work for me. And what I do in addition to just getting the shoe is I take out the existing inserts. Just reach in and pull them out. Sometimes a little bit rough, but there you go. So you take that out, and then I use Superfeet, which I also get on Amazon. And the one I'm using is a 7.5 to 9 US men's. So again, these may not work for you. Superfeet has a lot of different inserts that you can get. You don't have to go with these, but these are the ones that I go with. So what you can do is cut them if they are too big for your shoe, but for me, luckily, they fit perfect. So all I have to do is take one and push it in place of the old, and perfect fit for me. So these are a new pair of shoes. I'm not going to wear them quite yet because I'm not ready to. You can see that in the past I did go through one pair, 2017, 2018, from December to July. Went by a little bit quick, but then from July 2018 to 2019, that's about a year. And then I got these pair that you're looking back in March, and I'm still wearing these pairs from 2019. So yeah, they last me close to a year, about a year, and then I switch. Now the last thing which I wanted to show everybody was I am tired of laces coming loose, and one of the bad things about this pair of shoes is when these laces, these round laces, get old, they just come untied all the time. So what I did was I wound up getting some of these right here. They're called HOMAR no-tie shoelaces for kids and adults. Now it comes in a pair of 2. They look pretty real. They have stretch to them, which is cool. And basically you see how they fit through the holes. You can just, or eyelets, whatever you want to call them, you just kind of fit it through and then pull it. And you can do crisscross or straight across or whatever design you want to do. But if you compare these, look at these 2 laces. They look pretty real. They look pretty darn real. And I haven't used them yet. Like I said, I haven't worn these yet. But when I do, I'll probably do an update one day. But I left the last one out, and what I'm going to plan on doing is just being able, I like to slide my feet in and out of my shoes. So as long as they're snug, but this part's kind of open, I can slide in and out of there pretty good. So I think that's going to work perfect for me. And again, I just wanted to share. But if anybody wants to buy any of this stuff, I'm going to leave links underneath the video so that you can get them. Oh, look at this. They come in a whole lot of different colors. So you can mix and match colors like they did right there, or go to a solid color like I did with the black. But note, I didn't use the first two because those were a little too tight when I tried this on. So I skipped that and I went to the third and up, and I didn't use the last three. So you'll have to figure out which size of these work for you, but it's pretty much one pack fits all. So I'm going to put links underneath the video, and I have text links to my Amazon, I guess it's an affiliate type of store. So doesn't cost you anything more, helps me out a little bit, and that's it. So I hope this helps somebody, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.